this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the chamfer command. So the chamfer is when you have a corner that is at an angle. If you want to picture it kind of like a dog-eared corner, a clipped corner, and a corner that comes at an angle here. So to get to the chamfer command, we're actually going to find it buried inside the fillet command. So we're on the home ribbon, modify panel, pull down fillet, and you can get to chamfer. Again, lots of ways to do any one thing in AutoCAD. We can definitely find it in the pull down menu, and actually I don't have my pull down menu showing at this moment, so to get to my pull down menu I click on this little on the quick access toolbar, that last little arrow, and I just check this box that says show menu, and I've got it here. And you can go to modify and you can find chamfer in here as well, and there's our fillet. All right, so we're gonna pull the arrow down. We're gonna click on the chamfer command, and notice I have all these different options down at the command line. I can type in, the two most common ones are either distance or angle. So if you're given, let's say that something is at 47 degrees, you're given that 47 degrees, we can type in A for angle down here. And notice it wants to know the length on that first line. Well, anytime you're told that something is 47 degrees, you're also given a dimension, like how far down this line does that 47 degrees start. So you can type in your length. This is how far down that line that the angle is going to start. So let's just go 1, enter. And now it wants to know the angle, so we can type in 47 or whatever your angle is. Press enter. Now you click on the first line. This line right here is the one that's going to travel down a distance of 1. And then you click on this line and it brings an angle of 47 degrees over here like this. So that's one way that you can do it when you know that you are given the angle. If you're not given the angle, another way that you can do it is chamfer. And this time we're going to type D for distance. Sometimes you aren't given the angle, you're just given the distance along this line and the distance along this line, and then they come together to be whatever the angle is. So we'll type in first distance. I'm just making this up here. We'll go 1.5, press enter, and then I'll say my second distance is 2, press enter. And I'll click on this line. So this line right here is going to come down 1.5 because that's the first line I'm clicking on. That was the first distance I gave it. And then I click on this line and it comes over a distance of 2 because that's the second line I'm clicking on, and that was the second distance I gave it. So those are the two main ways that you're going to use the chamfer command. Again, it's just a command that you're going to use to kind of clip off that corner right there.